within 30 minutes, mashallah. So far, alhamdulillah, 148,200.
MashaAllah.
Those who are right now watching us, through Chalta TV, we are very thankful to our own brother Munir Ahmad Saab. He is always, mashallah, with us from Chalta TV. He is the head of Chalta TV in USA. And every single event in Dallas area, in Texas, wherever, either it's a charitable event or political event or educational event or religious event, you will always see Brother Munir over there. So we are very thankful, Brother Munir. He is with us, mashallah, and then inshallah you will see all this live coverage, inshallah, through Chalta TV with a very, I would say, efficient and professional coverage. So now today we are here for the Medina Masjid year 2024-2025 yearly expense and the program, inshallah. The very first place, mashallah, is brother our Imtiaz Rahi from Carrollton, mashallah. It's $1,200. We have brother Abdul Nasir Ahmad, mashallah, our own very old brother, mashallah, from Frisco, $1,800. Then we have brother Abdul Nasr Khan, $600 from Dallas. This is our only once a year Ramadan telethon we do, and we request all the brothers and sisters that do help the house of Allah, do participate in this fundraiser. And then we have brother our Rehan, mashallah, from Irving, $1,200. Then we have our sister, mashallah, Amreen. She did $2,000.